Welcome, fellow travelers, to another exciting episode of Travel Facts. Today, we're delving into the vibrant city of Rosario, Argentina, the birthplace of football legend Lionel Messi. Join us as we uncover 5 mind-blowing things about this enchanting city, beyond its renowned association with Messi. From cultural marvels to hidden gems, Rosario has much to offer. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the heart of Messi's hometown. 1. The birthplace of a legend. Rosario, Argentina, stands as the proud birthplace of football sensation Lionel Messi, and immersing yourself in the city unveils the humble origins of Messi's extraordinary journey. Wander through the very streets that witnessed the early days of this global football icon. 2. Monument to the flag. Take in the awe-inspiring presence of the National Flag Memorial, a monumental tribute to Argentine unity. This iconic landmark not only boasts impressive architecture but also serves as a living testament to the nation's rich history. It's a must-visit site for anyone eager to delve into Argentina's past. 3. Artistic expression at El Bodegón. Step into the bohemian ambience of El Bodegón, a legendary bar and cultural space that pulses with artistic energy. This hub attracts local artists, intellectuals, and musicians, providing an exclusive glimpse into Rosario's thriving artistic community. Immerse yourself in the creative spirit that defines this unique locale. 4. Paraná River Islands. Embark on a journey to discover the enchanting beauty of the Paraná River Islands. These verdant, green havens offer more than a mere escape from the city's hustle and bustle. They provide a serene sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a peaceful retreat from urban life. 5. Parque de la Independencia. Escape the urban hustle at Parque de la Independencia, a vast green oasis in the heart of Rosario. The park boasts beautiful gardens, a lake, and recreational areas. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, picnics, or enjoying outdoor activities. The Children's Republic, an amusement park within the park, adds to its family-friendly appeal. As we bid adieu to the beautiful city of Rosario, we hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Messi's roots. If you have more insights or recommendations about this Argentine gem, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more exciting travel facts. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wandering. This is Travel Facts, signing off.